What we got going on today is this beautiful bouquet of broccoli. They're part of the cruciferous family and also considered a winter vegetable. And you may be wondering, how much broccoli should I eat? Hey folks, Joyce here, certified health coach. Thanks so much for stopping by. I make videos for people who want to start or refresh their healthy habits. And today's video is part of the series, Eat 3 or More Veggies a Day. And we're going to figure out how to plate this broccoli so that we can get closer to our goal. And also please watch all the way through so you can see how to prep the broccoli. Let's get started. Broccoli is not part of the environmental working group's Dirty Dozen list, so you can definitely buy these conventional. This has been washed in cold water, and what you're gonna need is a sharp knife, a peeler, and a bowl of cold water with squeezed lemon juice in there. All right, so let's get started. Let's go ahead and work on these crowns. As you can see, you could tell where the little trees are. So just cut them like that all around. And I'm gonna do that for the rest of them. And when you're done cutting up all the florets, just pop them into the lemon water. This is the last stem I'm working on to peel off the bark so that we can get to the fleshy edible part. Now that they're all peeled off, go ahead and just cut the bottoms, and then you could just cut them on a bias like this. Have your knife angled at a 45 degrees. You can keep them like this or cut them in halves, or you can julienne them as well. Just stack them up like that and use your fingers and knuckles as a knife guide to cut them into strips. Once you're done cutting them all up, go ahead and put them into the bowl as well so that they can stay nice and green when you cook them. If you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it to stay updated on future videos as soon as they come out, or connect with me on Instagram and Facebook at Kella Health and Wellness. What we got here is a steamer and about 4 cups of water, and we're going to add all the stems on the bottom. All right, because those are tougher than the florets. And if the florets come out of there, just put them back into the bowl. All right, now that all the stems are laid out, let's put the florets on top. And we're steaming them because this is a great way to maintain all the nutrients of the broccoli. Try not to steam them longer than 5 minutes so that they stay nice and fresh. All right, that's time. Let's turn off the heat. And oh my gosh, look how gorgeous that green looks. All right, so I'm just taking my chopstick and lifting this off like so. And I'm using my oven mitts to get it out of the water. I'm gonna take a little sample. Oh, or hot. Perfect. All right, y'all, a serving of broccoli is 1 cup. So the raw looks like this on the plate. And you might like to eat them raw with some dip maybe, or just like that if you'd like. But this is about 2, 4, 6, 8, about 10, let's say 10 florets. Now let's look at about a cup of it steamed. Let's see what that looks like. I'm already seeing a lot more florets in here, and that's probably because they have been cooked down. So, oh, they look so cute, these little trees. And a cup of cooked broccoli looks like this on the plate. And if y'all are curious, the bouquet of broccoli is about 4 cups, so that's 3 cups florets and 1 cup of the stems cooked. Since broccoli is a non-starchy veg, you can have about half your plate filled with it. That wraps it up, folks. I hope y'all are inspired to pick up more broccoli from your grocery store, eat them raw, steam them, or add them to a stir fry after you steam them so you can get closer to your 3 or more veggies a day goal. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank y'all so much. Stay tuned. Next week, we're going to continue on this series, Eat 3 or More Veggies a Day for your body and the planet. And until then, remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy.